Hello! Today, we're diving deep into the world of one of the smartest animals on the planet, the dolphin. Be sure and stay to the end for a great biblical lesson. Dolphins are marine mammals, just like you, me, and your cat. That means they breathe air, give birth to live young, and drink milk. Dolphins have streamlined bodies built for speed. Some can swim up to 60 kilometers per hour. That's faster than your mom driving you to school when you're late. Their skin is super smooth, reducing drag, and their flippers help them steer like underwater race cars. The tail is called a fluke, and it's like a built-in turbo engine. Dolphins breathe air through a blowhole on the top of their head. It acts like a kind of built-in snorkel, except way cooler. However, they need to come up for air every few minutes. Most can stay underwater for about 9 minutes. And here's the fun part. Dolphins talk using whistles, clicks, and squeaks. Scientists call this echolocation. They send out sound waves which bounce back, helping them find food, friends, and maybe even that missing TV remote. Dolphins are brainiacs of the ocean. They can solve problems, recognize themselves in mirrors, and even play games. In fact, some scientists say their intelligence is similar to that of a chimpanzee, although I've never seen a chimp do synchronized swimming. Now, what's on the dolphin's menu? Mostly fish and squid. They're carnivores, which means meat lovers all the way. But they also play a big role in keeping ocean ecosystems balanced by controlling fish populations. Unfortunately, dolphins face threats like pollution, fishing nets, and habitat loss. That's why marine conservation is so important. After all, a world without dolphins would be like a pizza without cheese. Just sad. You know, dolphins also remind us of an important biblical lesson. They spend time playing and leaping for the sheer joy of it. In Ecclesiastes 3:4, it says, "There's a time to weep and a time to laugh, a time to mourn and a time to dance." God didn't just design life for hard work. He also gave us the gift of joy and play. Dolphins show us that celebrating life is part of God's plan. So let's leave our worries in His hands and enjoy today. Quiz time. How fast can dolphins swim? 60 kilometers per hour. So to recap, dolphins are fast, smart, and social mammals who breathe air, love fish, and communicate with clicks and whistles. Just like they always seem to be enjoying their days, let's trust in Jesus and enjoy ours as well. Stay curious and keep smiling. Special thanks to the Shark Lab Animals Kids Club members. Be sure to check out our other videos for more lessons we can learn from God's amazing creatures.